that's pretty. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. There has been so many trends going around: latte, espresso, avocado, but one that caught my eye was the strawberry look. So we're gonna try that today. Some strawberry glam. But I want to try it on my brown skin and see how that comes out. So here we go. So it is like a light coverage look. So I decided I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. matte concealer right here, and instead of my foundation. So I'm just going to apply that under my eyes so that I can look awake, because I literally just woke up not too long ago. But yeah, we're not going to do a lot because this look doesn't require a lot. It's supposed to look fresh and glowy, and I know this is matte, but it still gives me a good effect. So we're going to do that. And I'm just smoothing that in. I think I'm getting better at being light-handed with my makeup. And when I say that, I mean not doing like full glam every time. I'm getting better at doing the natural makeup look, and I've been loving it. So as you can see here, that really just opened my eyes up. So the main thing in this makeup look is the use of reds. So I'm going to be using this Morphe blush right here. And this is the color, what color is this? Is there no name? Juicy Secret. And I'm going to use that as eyeshadow because this is going to be super quick. I'm not trying to stay here forever and work on this makeup. This is supposed to be an easy, effortless strawberry. Ooh, that's pretty. Makeup look. I'm already liking that on my eyes. I'm just sweeping that across my lid like this. Is that too much? Of course not. Okay, so that's pretty. So after I do that, I'm going to also go back into it with my brush here. I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks because this look is all about on my nose. I mean, it's called the strawberry makeup look, so I guess we're supposed to look like a strawberry, and I'm not mad at it. So I'm just putting this over my cheekbones, over my nose a little bit to kind of make me look flushed. We're going to go in with one of my favorites. This is the Juvia's Place Egyptian Glow Luminizer. Love this stuff. I have been using it nonstop, literally. And I'm just going to highlight because we want to look glowy, right? Fresh, glowy. So we're gonna apply this highlighter to the cheeks, to our nose, anywhere where we want to glow. I like glowing up here sometimes, you know. I feel like you can't glow too much. I'll take my finger and we're just gonna blend that. You don't need a lot of this because it spreads really good. We're just gonna blend that out so we have that. Ooh, do you guys see that glow? I love trying out trends just because they're just fun. Not saying that this is the makeup look I'm going to do every day, but I do like trying things out and just seeing something different, because sometimes you do end up liking a trend makeup look, a trendy makeup look. So this is what we're looking like so far. Okay, and now the fun begins, guys. This look requires freckles, which I do not have, so I'm going to use my NYX lip liner pencil in the color Hot Cocoa, and we're going to make some freckles. And I have never done this. I have never made freckles. So I assume they're not all supposed to look alike. So I'm just making dots, literally, over my face, and then I'm just gonna like pat them. Okay, I'm not mad at those. I think I'm gonna stop there because That looks pretty natural. And then we're going to end this look with this Morphe. I'm using a lot of Morphe products. Soulmate lip liner, and this is kind of a burgundy. So we're just going to, I already had on some chapstick that has a pink tint to it, but I'm going to keep that on. I'm going to put that on my lips. Just lining the lips. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. And I'm going to apply that. Guys, the air conditioning just went off. So you can probably hear me even better now. Didn't even think about that. I think I need a little bit more freckle on this side. You can use like a darker brown, but I didn't want to do too much because I've never done this. And I feel like I want to I want you to be able to see it. And I want to like carry it over. Am I doing too much? Like so. Fix this hair up. Just in a little claw clip. This is a finished look. Let me pick this up. Zoom out a little bit. I love it. See, it's so fun and fresh and pink. I tried to wear a pink shirt to match the vibe. But yeah, here we are. Thank you so much for being here on this short and sweet video. I just wanted to try out this trend, but if you like it, leave me down a pink heart. And are you going to be trying this trend too? Because I just think it's fun just to try trends, even if they come out ridiculous or amazing. Like I like today. I never knew how it would look with freckles. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and thank you for being here. I love you. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.